Hello, everybody. What is up? Let me make sure I'm not saying anything which I should not. And all right, looking good. Now let me make a cool thumbnail real quick. I am probably the only person who makes a thumbnail after starting the live stream, but that is fine. We need to do something unique after all. 128. Okay, that sounds good. Now, first of all, I wondered if Nest have a what? Yeah, so I was wondering if Nest have a not this Nest. This nest. Uh, should I use this one or this one? That's a really nice question. I will use this one. I, I will use this one instead. Yeah, let's use this one. So, copy image, paste. Nice. So, I will paste that and I need to decrease the size of the damn thing. Nice, nice. Okay. And let me go here. Bang, bang. 1280, but 128720, and this will be 1280. Okay, nice. And click enter. All right. So we have a nice background. Nice. I can still move it. And now we need a Discord bot. Discord bot images. This looks nice. And of course, I need to check my chat, which is oh, yo, Magicals, what is up? Long time no see. How is it going, human? For what logo will be better? This is really nice, but I need a PNG format. Do we have a PNG format? This is even better. Print screen. I will steal this part. I'll go here. I'll paste this right there. Click enter and close this. I will like to no. Okay, there we go. So we have our Discord bot. Let me just get the Nest logo as well. Nest JS. Right click, copy the damn image. How do I copy it? Check the chat, nothing in it. Paste it. That. And I want to. Okay, I'll paste that. I would like to change the size to 300. Amazing. All right, so the cool thumbnail is finally ready, and let's get started. Okay, so of course this thumbnail is flawless, as you guys can see. We have Nest, we have Discord, and we have an actual Nest, and we have the title. What else can we? What is this one? Okay, there we go. Yeah. So what else can we need? Of course, nothing. So let me just close it. Don't save. And this would also be JS. Yes. Yo, XO, what's up? And yes, Nest is something in JS. That's right. That's absolutely right. So this is my back Nest code. Well, technically it's TypeScript, but yeah, TypeScript, JavaScript, same thing, man. No difference at all. So where was I? Yeah, front. Okay. So we have a front end here that is React, and we have a back end that is Nest. So yeah, I'm doing something now. I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do Discord integration in my backend server now. So let's actually see how we do that, because I don't know how to do that. I mean, I can do in a normal sense, but I don't know how to do that in a Nest way. Let's see. Each command must be ready to a Nest.js module. Oh, oh. Okay. Inject dynamic provider. That's very interesting. Can you promote my verified Discord bot? That's a very interesting question, because you might have noticed that I just have two viewers, that is you and my second mobile. So I'm not very sure if that's the audience you want to get your thing promoted at. So yeah. Remember that if you define a subgroup of command, this will automatically mark your main command unusable. I know that, son. Anyways, this is so UI based context menu command. Okay, this is painful, man. Defix command. Hmm. Omoshiro, if once ready on create. Oh, we can create an event handler. That's even more cool. I guess let's get started with a simple Discord login. So let me try to find my backend server. There it is, my beautiful npm run start dev. That will start our beautiful server. And then let's go here. We have a file called base.ts, and I will change the API. And let me try. I am here. Ooh, oh shit. We have three viewers. Okay. So Devansh, we have three viewers. Me, myself, you, and Exo. So do you want to promote your thing to three people, which includes me and you? If that's fine, then I guess can't help it. But anyways, I totally remember there is a thing called, I don't know what it is called, but doc. Like, oh, chat, there it is. See, I'm so smart. I'm still, oh, we have four people. Okay. So we have a, okay. Anyways, so we have four people. We are not that dead. Let's click on live chat. Wait, can I send message? Oh, I can. Okay. So I will assume and say that I do not need this anymore. I will, this logo, I should have used this, man. But anyways, it's too late. All right. We have this thing here. And yes, okay, please. Oh, so you want to, okay. Okay. Send me the logo. Sorry. What is it? URL to your bot, and I will try it out. That's the best I can think of for now. All right. Uh, let's see. Example, appreciated reaction collector. Blah 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 blah. Let me think. I have a backend server. I have that. Now, what do I do for a Discord bot? I can actually just host it locally and it can be totally different code base. Maybe that will be ideal because creating a fucking command, that sounds painful. I think I will just do the OAuth part in it. Or maybe I can do the OAuth part as well in. This is so interesting. This is such a. Oh, we have some emoji. Still, let me think. Let me try to open MS Paint. Okay, that doesn't exist. MS Paint. Let's go. So, right now, the idea is first of all, we have a cool website. Let me write that down. Let me decrease the size as well. Left. So, yeah, here we are. 20 is a bit too small, so let's do 26. Front end, and then I will write down some more information like sorry, React TS. And do I have anything apart from this? I don't think so. Let's put it right there. Bam. Now, after our cool front end, we have our cool this. That will be our backend server. Let's go back to like something big and bold and back end. Enter. We don't need bold. We will go back to something small and 24, and it will be nest JS. All right. So this is our backend server. Now the question is why my message is not displaying. That's a very interesting question. I mean, I can see your message, so I'm not sure what you are talking about. But anyways, we have backend in Nest that is done. After that, we need another. So yeah, now the question is, my front end is in React, my backend is in Nest.js. Now I need Discord.js part. So what do I need in my Discord.js part? First of all, I need to interact with the Discord API. So I have two options. First of all, I can just use that random package and do whatever, like make a whole bot in it. Or secondly, I can just use patch or something and directly do the shit. Or I have a third option to actually make a totally different thing. Let me make the third one and I will just call it the Discord bot. Let's do 28 bold, 28 and bold, and it is Discord bot. And then bold goes away, 22, and it will be Discord JS plus Fastify. Now, first of all, I would like to center all of this. Nah, I don't want to center all of this. Bam, okay, bam. Now this thing, Discord bot should be bold and it should be big. Nice. And then I need to put it somewhere there. Amazing. Okay. So good progress. We so this is another solution. I can have my Discord bot hosted in a different place. Should I do that? It's an interesting question now. Why my messages are not displaying? Let me think, man. What else can I do? Solid fill, crayon fill. Oh, we have fill types. I didn't knew that. Let me choose a different color, which is a bit more. Oh, I can choose the fill type for the shape. Oh, okay, that makes sense. It wasn't filled though. Wet. Oh yeah, now it makes sense. I can change it to a pencil. And what else can I do? Oh, we have watercolor. We have a marker. Seems pretty normal. We have oil brush. Interesting indeed. Interesting. Anyways, I guess I'm just wasting my time. So what do you guys think? Should I make like Discord bot should be a different entity, right? It should be different from back end, front end, and whatever the fuck. And when I need to interact with the Discord bot, then I can just connect it with my um, beautiful Nest. Arrow back arrow, and it is connected to this. Blah blah blah. What else can I have? What? Let me change it to white. Go back and now do this. Nice, nice. So after that, I also have MongoDB, of course. I can just put that here as well. I might just host my own MongoDB instead of, nah, it's fine, it's fine. I don't have to go on that path. Anyways, so first of all, MongoDB, that's good enough. And MongoDB will be connected to this and this. Okay. What else do I have? We have database, we have our backend server, we have our front-end server, and we have a microservice of Discord bot. That's a very interesting structure. What else can I need? Let's see. User will be on the website. They will do Discord login. They will be sent to backend. Backend will do OAuth. Okay. So moral of the story is I will work on Discord OAuth. Let's do it. Now, oh my God, we have 4 viewers. Oh shit, we have 3. Okay then. Anyways, where was I? Let me see if people use, what do people use for Nest OAuth? I mean, I can do it by myself, or do people use some kind of package? That's an interesting question. Let's check it out. Medium.com, I think it's a blog thing, right? Yeah, it is. The user is directed to an endpoint. Yes, sir. Then, yes, sir. After placing a credential, blah, 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 blah. Okay. That's bullshit. That is also bullshit. So we have a auth controller. We have strategies. I don't know what guards does. Okay. I don't know what any of that means. So let's try to do it. In routes, what do I do? So we need to create a controller. I will do nest g controller, and the location will be route slash, what is it called? Auth. Should I call it auth? Or should I call it Discord? Or should I call it login? What should I call it? This is an important question, everybody. I am going to create a login route. So should I call it auth? Oh, I can just create a poll. Oh my God. What should the route prefix be? First is Discord. Second is login. And third is we have Discord, login, and then we have auth. So what should we choose? Let's see. Okay, now we have 2 viewers. Let me check my mobile phone. Let me open my stream. I don't like to. Oh, wait, I don't have YouTube anymore. My apologies. Painful. Zoom, we have Zoom. Okay, let's welcome Zoom. Zoom is an anime character, and he's in a lot of Discord servers which are mutual. Okay. Anyways, let's wait for some votes and then we'll get started. All right. No votes yet. What the hell? Okay. I guess. I will ask Zoom. I have a question. I am making OAuth endpoint. What should be the prefix of this endpoint? Discord login. let's see. Okay, so our we have one vote, and that is for auth. Let's see what Zoom says, and then we will move on. This must be the strangest experience to join a random Discord server, and then this is how you are greeted. I will probably, I don't know. Anyways, why do we have a single vote when we have two people? People don't like democracy, I guess. Slash something, I don't know what it does. All right. So the vote is done. Oh, wait. Devansh, the profile picture is same. Okay, so he is Devansh. My apologies. I was unable to recognize him, but now I know. Damn, it took me like few minutes. Why am I so slow? Nande. Okay, so what is up here? We have a auth controller. We don't need that, son. We don't need to do that. So we have our auth controller. We have a static controller. I should just delete this. That's a very good question. Let's see. I don't really know what to do next. We have API, blah, 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 slash auth. Okay. I will just copy paste the static. I will delete auth. I will rename this to auth. AUTH. Nice, nice. And I will wait for it to reload. Nice, amazing. Visual Studio Code is so fast. How can this thing disappoint me like that? All right. Also, give me a second, humans. Oh, that's risky. Okay. So where was I? Yeah, so we are in the module generation. Okay, okay. Item module, we don't need that. I'll remove it. We have auth. Oh yeah, I was doing auth. Okay. So first of all, we need to replace a lot of statics. So our static can be replaced to auth service. I can rename this thing to auth.service.ts. Amazing. After that, we have a static controller, and we can change it to our auth controller. Let me do fh auth replace all. After that, we do not need any of these routes. They are useless. And if we are not using these right now, we don't need them right now. We can remove those as well. So auth controller is done. Now we have a static module thing. Let's replace that to, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Auth module, amazing. And static controller, I will like to replace that to auth once more. Amazing. So we have auth controller, we have auth this. Now we need models. So let's think about it. I will need a login model. Very interesting. Let's open this. Local disk E, Discord bots. And I don't really know what I call it. Crazy, I guess. Oh yeah, I see something called crazy. So if I go on source, then I can go on model. We have a user.js, amazing. We have ID, description, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I can make a new model. Let's see. In our schema, we have a lot of schemas, and I'm going to delete them. They're useless. Then rename this to user auth schema, and I will change it to user auth. ID is fine. Name can be changed to username. Logo is fine. Do I need to save their token? Let's think about it. Do we need the user token? I really wonder about that. I don't really see any reason to save it. No, we might need it. Let's think about it. I need the Discord ID, I need the Discord name, I need their avatar. Do I need their, I don't need their token. I don't care about it. So let's remove it. We have some interfaces and I will just delete them for now. We have some DTOs and I guess I will delete it for now as well. Now the question is, we have auth controller, okay, we have auth module, amazing. We don't need review schema, project schema, this schema, we can remove half of these, and then we will do auth user auth schema, and I will call it user auth crazy freelance. Nice, nice progress. Wait, I cannot see the number of viewers in here. That's tragic. Participants. Oh, shit. Anyways, where was I? Blah, blah, blah. And static module. Then we have the auth module. Nice. Let's see. What do I do next? I guess in controller, I will add a get request panel, and it will be a function called hello, of course, and it will just say hello. Oh, nice. So in auth service, do I have anything? Oh, we have a lot of bullshit here. So we will not need half of these. Then we will need to go in the module section. Come here, paste, boom, review model. Instead of review model, we will need to do something like user model, right? User model, and then interface. I can do something like user dot interface dot ts. I will just do export interface user. Let's go to our beautiful schema. I can just copy that, paste string, amazing. Now here I will do user. Perfect. We don't need this, don't need that. We have a lot of random functions. I will remove all of them for now. No, don't be that naive. We can get review, okay, we can delete review. Do I need delete? Okay, I will just delete all of them. I will make them whenever I will need them. It's not like something big or something. All right. So now let's test it out if we have the thing up or not. Or what? Oh, localhost 3000. My bad. It still doesn't work. Why? Do I have an error? Oh, this thing is not running. My bad. npm run start dev. And let's see what happens now. Send. 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 Okay. Send. What? Send. Send. Finally. Cannot get auth slash. Nice. Okay. So pretty much we are in. Let's do it. If I will add slash here, okay. All right. Sir, if any chance to make a MongoDB tutorial for Discord JS. MongoDB tutorial for Discord. I think I already made it. I totally remember making one. It was long ago, but I am 100% sure those things work. Mongo, let's search there. Must know Mongo search tricks. Okay. Mongo array tricks. Oh my god. I think this video should be good. Database for Node.js application. I have a feeling that I explained things pretty well. Or do you want a video specifically for a Discord bot? That's interesting. I mean, this video should most likely tell you everything you might need on a basic level. I mean that's what I think, but you might have different thoughts about that. But anyways, let's get started. So we have api.com/auth/login. What should I call it, man? It's URLs, naming this. These things are so hard, man. There are infinite possibilities, and I don't like that. Let's see. I must have some old examples. So auth/for/discord. That's an interesting one. So I will do. Wait. That's interesting. Okay. So I will do http://127.001/auth/discord. That's perfect. So whenever somebody is trying to get Discord, we will do this. And I will call it Discord auth. It doesn't matter that function name is essentially useless, but that's fine. That's fine. So we are doing /discord. Now I need to somehow get a query @query. Yeah, that exists. Nice. And route handler parameter decorator pipes property. Okay. And I want to get what? I think it is called token. Token. Nice. So if we do not have the token, then we return them to a login page. Return redirect. Nice. See, Nest is so beautiful. I don't have to do anything. Okay, we have a promotion, a simple and in what is this? Add to server? What? Oh, application directory. Wait, do my bot? Oh, wait, I need to check. This is interesting. I don't know if my bot exists in the directory. Where is it? Button bot. App directory. Product page. Easily set up custom embeds. Okay. Okay. You are ready to go, blah blah blah. Oh, I didn't enable it. I'm so dumb. Damn. 24 hours. Okay, let's try to search right now. Server settings. But thanks for the suggestion, Devansh. Specific. Oh, you want a specific video for Discord bot? I might make a tutorial like a notes video or something in which we can. I will just give an example of creating data or deleting it and whatever else we might have. Let me search button bot. What the fuck? There is a button bot which already exists. Let's see the images. Create a custom role picker in seconds. Customize every damn thing. Oh my god, this guy is my competitor and he is already better than me. Tragic, man. That's so tragic. Anyways, very tragic. Let me remove it. Application directory. Let me see if my bot have that. Right click, copy the user ID, bang, bang, enter. Ooh, it is in 173. What the fuck? Ooh, oh my, oh my goodness. It is used in 4 Discord servers. Amazing. /subscription. That command doesn't work. The images doesn't show up. That's tragic. Very tragic. Report app. I can report the app. Let's try to do that. Okay, let me just focus on the work again. My bad, guys. I just get distracted sometimes. Yeah, sure, that makes sense. Yeah, I will do that. Oh God, you are so shockifying. Okay. Interesting English. New words, man. Please don't scare me. I am already scared enough. It's... Anyways, now it's time to do some Discord login stuff. And I totally forgot how this works. So I will need to check my old code in which I have something like this set up. And let me just try to find out. So we have Discord bot. If I will go in somewhere like, let me see. I think I have some example code in here. Source index. Let me search login. Login. Slash login. Nice, beautiful. So we have to redirect on this URL. Let me just copy the URL real quick. Bang, bang, paste. Should I try to get the email as well? Why not? Yo, bro. Yo, brother. And let's paste it there. Oh, I don't need to add the backticks. We are doing discord.com, blah, 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 process.m. Let me check my environment variable. No, I should not do that on the live stream. Then we need a redirect URI. That's interesting point. Okay. Scope is identify, email, and the guild. Okay, looks good. Let's open .n. Ha ha ha. You thought I will show my things? No, sir. Everything is cloaked. I'm. Can you see your service promotion channel? Oh, okay. Let me test it out. Let's see what your bot can do. Website for the bot. What the fuck is this? Okay. I guess I will try in this server. Not a big problem. Manage expressions. What the fuck is that? Manage expression. Okay. Please click each image containing a beautiful truck. All right. It's a very basic bot, not so advanced. Okay. What the fuck was that? What? What the fuck was what? Where is the bot channel? Let's see. So we are reviewing Smike. Let's check it out. First of all, we have balls. Let's try it out. Should I promote this bot? I mean, even if I do that, it doesn't matter. So we should most likely do it. Okay. That's a nice start. After that, I can add role to a member. That will not work. That will also not work. Announce. Let's try to announce something. Hello, Ningen. What's up? I can choose a channel. Let's choose general. Okay. Let's actually try to manage the role. I want to see the error. I want to see how your bot will suffer or how your bot will manage it. Let's find out. Let's see if you have some error handling or not. So let's try to give myself the leader role. Oh, that's so beautiful. Let's try to give myself the red role. Not tall boys, what the fuck? Red, yes. Okay, that's good. That's good start. So we can do remove role. Okay, Shishui leader. Nice. You have error handling. That's very nice because mostly people don't. Sky. I remember these commands from long ago. And let's try to just spam it a bit. Oh, this is So good. So good. Beautiful. You have a character limit. It was a random response. Oh, my env. Oh, that's a special trick. Only I know how that works. Man, yeah, you know, man. I'm very cool. I know how to do these things. I totally didn't Google searched how to search for an extension which will hide my environment variables. Yeah, I use this one by the way, .env. Sky can look yeah, that's for sure. Sky can look very weird sometimes. Totally agreed. Anyways, I also think I do not need the redirect URI. So I will do something like let's see. Let's see, my boy. So instead of this, what I can do is I can just do this encode URI component, and then I'll do something like $base because we need the base URL. How do I find the base URL? That is so dumb. Okay, I will take my words back. I will like to encode this URI. I will open .env. So we need to do what? We need to redirect URI, paste that, bang, http / 127. I will just copy it from the damn Discord website. Where is it? Thank you for using the bot. You are a nice person. That's not a problem, but using your bot doesn't make me nice. That's for sure. I really need this command because many time I want to copy somebody's avatar, but no Discord bot have this command nowadays. I think this is too basic of a command, so people don't add it. Or it is that I don't really have any bot. I have my own bots. Do Carl bot have it? Oh, Carl does have it. Gives you a member avatar in different formats. Oh. Beautiful. Let's try this out. Hmm. Okay. I can bonk someone. Let's bonk the creator. Or maybe let's bonk him. Also, I cannot afford to pay because my parents won't let me, so my free host can die sometime and make my bot offline. That sounds very relatable, so I think it's fine. I think that's how everybody starts, probably. Too bad. What? I do not have permission to execute this command. Maybe I cannot warn myself because I have a high role. Let's try to warn this random guy. Why I cannot do that? What? What permission to / warn need? Like this thing should work most likely. It requires kick member permission. Why? That's very okay. Discord died. I cannot see the commands anymore. So let's get back to work. Where was I at? We have Discord. Let me just copy this URL, paste, blah blah blah, encode URI, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's try to go on HTTP localhost 3000 /auth /discord. Copy it, send it, bam. Nothing happened. What the fuck? /auth /discord. Slash. Cannot get auth / discord. Okay, let me just console.log the token. Let's reload it. It is undefined. Masaka. If I do, how do I redirect? Let me just Google search it. I don't know how to actually do that. Nest.js redirect. I don't want to redirect from a controller. What? Response.redirect. I don't want to do response dot to redirect. Don't we have a different way? Come on, there must be a different way to do it. I will go now since day after tomorrow is my business studies exam. Okay. Well, good luck with your exam and see you next time. And external URL, controller, blah blah blah. All right, let's see. So we will do at the rate find all. Amazing. Request is amazing as well. Redirection. Yes, sir. At the rate get, at the rate redirect. What does that mean? Return value will override any argument passed to redirect. Hmm. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Let me close it. I will just use the response thing then. So we have query token, and before that, I would like to get the response object at the rate res. Sorry, at the rate res. Enter bang, and then here I will do response dot redirect, and its type will be response. And let me just import the damn thing from Fastify. Import response from Fasty. Wait, am I not using Fastify? What the hell? I I am using Fastify. What is this? Express. This does not make sense. Okay, that doesn't matter anyways. Response dot redirect, blah blah blah. Okay, nothing happens. That's the main problem. I am unable to do the redirect. Why is that happening? Yeah, that end thing is perfect because it's I have like leaked my environment variable like 4 or 5 times on live stream, so I really love it. That's all I have to say. I really love it. But anyways, let me just go on youtube.com. No, I should not go on youtube.com. Am I dumb? I forgot what I was doing. Okay, yeah. Nest.js redirect to URL. Let's see. Next.js redirect from a controller to another. That also works. So this guy says return response.redirect. Okay. And I think that's what I did, right? Let me just console.log not token. Right. Response, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's try it out. Reload. This is so dumb. Console.log no redirect. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's try to do one more thing. All right. I will do this. I will control X and I will just return something like. First of all, let's start with the empty string. And I will say something like redirecting. I think this should at least say redirecting now. This shit is so bad, man. I hate it. Okay, I have one more idea. At the rate get slash redirect, and then I will do redirect, and then I will do at the rate redirect. In the URL, I will put this. Let me paste it there. And here we will need to do slash redirect. Probably. Most likely I need to do slash auth slash redirect. Now I hope this works. That didn't work at all. This is really weird. Okay, let's see some different examples. This guy is doing at the rate redirect, at the rate controller. Ah, let me control plus Z a couple of times. Let me remove all of that. We no longer need that. Bang, bang, bang. This thing is so painful. This doesn't work. How to set a static redirect for a GET request in Nest.js? Yeah, how do we do that? At the rate controller read at the rate redirect this. Okay. Let me just try to copy the damn. Oh, wait, the redirect is above. I think that might have been a mistake. Oh my goodness. Let me control Z couple more times. Okay, let me control Shift Z. I don't know anymore. Return redirecting dot terminate. Okay. So let's go on /auth/ redirect. The value undefined is not a snowflake, not a well-formed URL. Okay, that's fine. And wait, Discord bot client ID. Let me do Control Shift L, backspace paste, and process.n redirect URI. Let me do Control Shift L, backspace paste. I will like to console.log this as well. Console.log that. Control tilde. And let's see what's the problem. Let's go back. auth/discord/redirect. Client ID is this. Everything looks fine to me, but this thing. I see. When we are using it here, the process.n doesn't work. Wow, that's crazy. Let me remove all of that. I have a nice idea. All right. So what I can do is I can return a response, and in response we have to give a body init response. So I don't know how that works. This is so painful. I don't want to do this. I want to do it in a different way. We have a controller, we are redirecting, but I don't want to do it that way, man. So this Nest thing is cool, but this is a problem now. I don't want to redirect like that. Decorator for how to handle redirects. I want to redirect URL, no longer using document path. Response.redirect. Yeah, how does that work? That's not working for me. Oh, Subarashi. I just need to do this. Apologies, my friends. I forgot about programming for a moment. 127.0 blah 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 3000 slash bot/discord. Copy that, enter that. Amazing. Beautiful. It works. So as you guys can see, we have improvements here. We are doing this. Now, let me click on authorize. What happens then? /auth/discord. /auth/discord pushing up. What the hell? Okay, let me try something out. So we are trying to get /a, and I will just return a. All right. So I will just do this /a. So as you can see, it says A, but if I add a question mark, x is equals to 2, it still works. I can do anything. Okay, then why the hell this doesn't work? We have auth slash discord. Oh, I see. Code. Okay. 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 This is really, really interesting now. Slash auth slash discord. I'm console.logging the stuff. Why does it not work? Let's try to go on this URL. Does it work? What? Oh, my bad. We are supposed to do 3,000 here. Such a foolish novice mistake. I forgot to add the port. How can someone be that dumb? That's of course not possible. Let me close all of this extra thing. We will need to do 3,000. Now we are doing. Now we are. Wait. Oops. Save. And I will need to pause my stream for a second. Just give me a beautiful second, my friends. I need to toggle the auto clocking. I think it is cloaking, not clocking, but doesn't matter. Let's go to the login page again. Auth slash Discord. Beautiful. Oh, invalid auth to redirect URI. Come on, it cannot be invalid. I don't see 3,000 here for some reason. 3,000. Yeah, that works. Give me a second again. I need to check the .env. I think it didn't restarted it. Let me just show you the screen once more. Go back, doesn't work. Window V, paste, enter. Why? I hate it. I hate this thing. Let me console log this. Console.log the thing. Window V, enter, enter. Redirecting. It doesn't even log the thing. Why? I will just pause the redirect for now. What's wrong? Wait. I am not even redirecting. Why is this thing automatically getting redirected? So this thing is automatically getting redirected. We have auth slash discord. Amazing. Something is not right. Slash auth doesn't work. Slash discord. Why does it not say anything? If we do not have the code, then return redirect. Okay, at least it is console logging the right thing, so I will put that back. Progress. We did it. It works. I think this thing has cache. Yeah, I think there is some caching problem. How to clear Brave cache? Man, the spelling of cache. Uh, Click clear browsing data. browsing history, I need it. I need the cookies as well, and clear it. All right. See, as soon as I remove the cache, it is working like it's working. Cache, here, cache. I spelled it change, so that's quite some English I've got. Anyways, let's see what happens if I authorize now. Nothing happens. Omoshiroi. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I have a different idea. I will have this route redirecting to this beautiful URL. Let me just copy the damn thing, and then I can do @ redirect. No, that will not work. That will not work. So I will just copy this, paste. I will return redirect to what, and I will do this. We no longer need this. We no longer need that. Amazing. It did send me to that page. Amazing. And if I need to go to do the login, I can just go to auth/discord/redirect, and it will take me to the page. That's beautiful. We will click on authorize. Amazing. The flow is very great. We are doing some progress. Welcome back to the progress route. Now, if we do not have the code, we still want to do something. That will be how do I return HTML? Return HTML in Nest.js. The weather is really beautiful right now. Response.send file. I don't want to do that. App.useStatic. I don't want to do that. Do you guys not have a simple solution? This thing is so dumb. I want to do something like I can choose. I can set a header, right? @header. So let me just Control-Shift-I. I will go to network. Now I will reload this page, and if we go here in the header section, we can see where can we see cache control. Where do I see the type of information? Accept. How do I set a response type? Response type header. I don't remember. Content type. It's called content type. My apologies. Not very good at remembering things. We have checked. Oh, I keep forgetting these things. Content. I think it is text/HTML. Now, what's your problem, my man? I think it is not defined. That's your problem. Headers. I think it is called header. Yeah, it is called header. My bad. I'm just trying to do something here. I will do something like a hello/a, and then I think it is href. I hate it. And I will respond them. I will send them to /discord/redirect. Perfect. Let's copy this beautiful URL, go to new tab, paste, enter. Something was not right. Let's go to /auth. Doesn't work. Beautiful. Let's go to /discord. How the hell it redirected me? Like, I will remove the redirect thing. Redirect thing no longer exists. I will do /discord. How can it redirect me when it is not even supposed to redirect? What the hell? Control Shift new, copy. Hell. Okay, slash Discord works. Nice. Let me just copy this, paste, paste. How is this possible? Why is this thing so dumb? How do I clear the cache? This is so dumb, man. I want you to just site settings, cookie site, blah blah blah. Remove everything, please. This is such a weird thing, man. Brave is so bad. Hola, I will consider this as friend or something. Spanish to English. Pesto. How are you? Oh, hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you? How are you, my friend? Anyways, let me remove this. Let me remove that. What's the problem here? Response.redirect does not exist on type response. Okay, there we go. Anyways, how are you, Mr. Demo account? Are you doing good? I don't really like this browser anymore. Why does Brave cache the redirect URL on a page? Why will you do that? This is soda, man. I like to use, yeah, I like to use Firefox too, but then somebody suggested me to use Brave, and here I am. And you are nice, that's good to know. And you don't know much English, that's fine. You can type in Spanish, and I will try to do Google Translator. Anyways, let's try to go on flags and search for enable DM and disable clear host cache. DNS cache, blah blah blah. Interesting. Warning, experimental, blah blah blah. Ahead, use dev adapter. That thing is out of my mind. Let me search for this enable DEAMP. It is enabled. Let's try to disable it. Relaunch it. And let's go here. Paste the URL and see how it goes. Is it still being a bitch? It is still being a bitch. That's very tragic. What else can I do? I can go to this and click on clear host cache. Most likely that will do the trick. Okay. So if I paste this, this thing is so bad. I don't really like this. I don't know what to do. Blah blah. Chrome. I think I can. Well, yeah, that's right. Maybe I should use Google Chrome or something. Or I can just go to settings and I can go to browser data, okay, I can search for cache, clear browsing data. Yes, please. And to go to this beautiful URL and send. It works now. Beautiful. Very beautiful. But anyways, let's see. We have this header text slash HTML. If I remove that, nice. Interesting. Let's call it express response, and we'll put that there. Now, what if I have a problem? Let me set it as okay. Now, let's see. We are returning this, but I don't want to return that. I want to return the fudge. Okay, yes. So I want to return a new response. The body will be this, and headers. There we go. Content type. Content type will be text slash HTML. Oh, let me just. Oh, there we go. I think this should work now. That didn't really work. So it is now returning nothing. That's also very interesting. New response dot. Let me search Nest.js return response. Let's see. So we have response dot send blah blah blah. Response dot status, response dot status dot send dot json. Responses from Express. Okay, son. This is really painful. Wait, where is the chat? What the fuck? Brave is very brave. Yeah, Brave is very brave. It is killing me. Spanish to English. Paste. Are you creating a library to create Discord bot? No, I'm not creating a library to create Discord bots. I'm just, for now, I'm just setting up Discord login thing on my backend server, which is created in Nest. If you might ask why I'm doing that, and I will respond back with, I don't know, man. I'm just trying to do experiment. And that experiment is not going very nice. Return set response header Nest.js. I don't want to use their decorator because that is dumb. Ooh. Let's see. Response dot set. I don't. Of course, I can use the response object. Don't you have something better? Come on, you must have something better. Come on, my boy. Okay, I will just use the response. Okay. You should have told me before you want me to use response. This is so painful. Response, comma, this. So first of all, I will copy this, Control X, Control L backspace. If we do not have the code, we will do this. We will return, but before that, we will do response.send. content type text slash html response dot send blah blah blah. Otherwise we will just return hello. Let's return JSON hello world. Okay, now we are in a better situation because I have a feeling this will experiment. Yes, I'm doing some random experiments. Let's see. Internal server error. Response.set is not a function. Oh my god. Oh, I'm using Fastify. Fastify set header. Let's see. How do we do that? Reply.code.header.send. I have to do dot header. Okay. Dot header. And then I can do dot send. Amazing. Beautiful. And if I will do question mark code is equals to something, will it work? Come on, please work, man. You can do it, code. Trust me, you can do it. You have what? Lot of electricity here, man. Okay, now why the hell is this thing not responding? I have no idea. Let's try to remove that part. Super interesting. So if I will get the response object, I think we can no longer use return. I will do response.send and I will put it in, and mark code is equals to blah blah blah. It's still okay, it works now. Beautiful. So I guess if we are getting the response in, then we gotta handle it ourselves. That's the situation. Now, as you can see, I've wasted my 30 minutes in redirecting the people to the damn URL. So let's move on. I will try to finish remaining things a bit in a better pace. That's all. Let's do it. And source index slash login. Very interesting. So we have this. Well, we need to get response. Then we need to get data. And we also need to, that's so interesting. Do we need to create I have no idea. What should I do? I will need to, first of all, I will just copy all of this. And then I will go in my auth service and I will make a class, call it, what should I call it? I will make it asynchronous. Get user data. Now let's see what do we need. First of all, we will need their code. So I will just do is a string, and we are not using Axios, we will use fetch, and I'm not very sure how I can, we have input, let me put this there and paste. So body can be that, and then this thing is header, nice, and method is post dot then v dot json dot then, I guess that's enough. So if not response, I will just add a dot catch at the end. Oh, dot catch, what the fuck. Blah blah blah. In this case, we are just going to return null, right? Simple as that. Otherwise, we will do await fetch, and is this correct? It is correct. Dot then we dot json, and then we will return the data. So let's go back here. Const user data. Let's do auth data is equals to await this dot service dot get user data, input the code, and we need to make this thing asynchronous because why not? We will console.log the auth data. We need to console.log the auth data, and if we do not have the auth data, we will return response.send invalid code. Otherwise, we will say valid code. Valid code. So as you can see, progress. Yo, code, what's up? What's up, code kid? Long time no see. How are you? Valid code. What? 401 unauthorized. Beautiful. Let me do if not response question mark dot access token. This time it should say invalid code. Yeah, beautiful. Let's actually try to log in now. I will go to slash redirect, and this should do the trick most likely. And it says invalid code. That's very beautiful. I have a feeling that I have an unresolved promise here, so I will just console.log the response, and I will also like to console.log the data, and let's see. Value undefined is not a snowflake. Oh, that's the problem. Should have told me before. So first of all, we need to replace all the client IDs to something like this. Then we have redirect URI, that's fine. And for client secret, I think we need to do Discord bot dash client secret. Let me just check it out in my .env file in a live stream. That's looking fine. And let's see how this goes. It worked. Beautiful. Wait, did I almost gave away my code thing, but it's all good. Anyways, let's see the chat. Crazy developer, क्या बना रहे हो भाई? Mute brother, I am making demo account. Demo account is talking in Spanish, and I am creating a backend server with Nest.js. It's a very beautiful API thing, framework, blah blah blah. And yeah, and code. I am using a very beautiful extension. Do you know what it is called? It is called .m. That's it. Yeah. Let me just show you so you can use that for reference. What the hell? Yeah, there it is. .m official plus wall. I don't know what it does, but I know that it can hide my .m, and that's perfect, and that's good enough for me. Now let me get back to my work. Where was I? So we are able to get the data. Now let's think about it. What do we need to do after we get data? I don't know what do we do? We need to save this information somewhere so we can reference to it. That's very safe. Absolutely. Thank you so much. No problem. Let me think, man. I just got the user data, right? Wait, let me just return this. Easy. Oh, guess what? Now, let me think. So I am able to get the auth data. What do I do next if I have the user data? Well, one thing is I can save their information locally. But is that reliable? I will say it is not reliable. Of course, I'm so dumb, man. I need to go to... Where do I need to go? I need to save some information. Okay. So let's go to our beautiful... Where do I go, man? I keep forgetting. We have ID, we have username, we have avatar. Let's make a thing called token, right? And then I'll go to the schema and I will make a thing called token and mfw. What does that mean? I will need to Google search that. mfw meaning my stand, my face when. So, sorry guys, I'm not very good at English, so stuff happens. My apologies. Anyways, I forgot where was I. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So, my beautiful friends, the next thing that we need to do is we need to update some data. So I will do what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I will do data dot token is equals to I need to install a package. Let me do that real quick. Let me just install a very cool package which I totally didn't made myself, which is a very simple function, but I made it. I don't know why. And the only reason I'm searching it, what the fuck, it doesn't even show up. Okay, that I was trying to promote my thing and Google, you just this was a conspiracy, guys. Create random. Where is it? Create random ID. Yeah, there it is. It shows. Okay, it is 2 years old. Fuck. And it have a lot of downloads as well. So you know what I'm saying. Let me try to do create ID. The README file don't even have a correct package name. Man, this package is for real. Anyways, I need to get the random ID function and I will do random ID and the size can be like 18 and we can have stuff like letter, maybe I can have numbers as well. That's good enough. So we have letters and numbers. Now what do I do? That's a good question. Let me delete this. I will do a wait. Where is it? There it is. User model dot find one and update. Now the trick is I will add absurd as true. All right. And in here I will do ID will be equals to data.id. And then I'll do something like, what do I have? I have stuff like name, username, avatar, and token. Username will be this. Token will be that. Avatar will be, I don't really know, to be honest. So token will be data.token. And I will like to console.log the data thing because I am not 100% sure about the names I've used. Yeah, let's do it. It's invalid now. Let me authorize once more. Man, I'm feeling happy. Stuff is happening. .id is fine. .avatar is not fine. My bad. I will need to convert it into an avatar URL. And I don't really know how to do that. So I will need to go to Discord developer portal. And I will random answer to literally anything. Thank you very much. I'm very good at creating answers and I appreciate your compliments. Yeah. Anyways, now I need to find URLs. CDN. Yes. I need to see how do the URLs work. How do the URLs work? Avatar. How do the avatar work? I totally remember there was a section for it like 1 year ago. User resource, okay. Avatar hash. Yeah, there we go. See, it's this easy. So first of all, we go on the URL and then for the user's avatar, we do slash avatar slash user ID. So for example, my user ID is this slash the avatar hash. I totally copied it. Come on. Dot png. What? What? Nani? Oh, my apologies, my humans. I forgot the account I was using. I'm using this account. I was very scared that I might open something Embarrassing. Let's copy the user ID. Let's change it. Send. I did it. Too easy. Okay, that didn't work. My bad. Wow. Let's try 2048. Okay, I guess that's the limit. But anyways, we know how it works. That's good news. Let's go in here. We need to change some stuff in the avatar instead of I am saving username. That's so smart, man. I am beyond humanity. Anyways, what do we do? Data.id, I guess. And then this can be data.avatar. Size, I don't really care about that, to be honest. I will do 1000. I will do 512. All right. And that's good enough. I will like to console log this console.log because I cannot open MongoDB Compass now because I might just give away my stuff and I don't want to do that. Let's go back. Let's authorize it. And it's taking a while. Boom, valid code. It says the code is valid. Is that good enough? Is it fine? Token is this, username is this, avatar is crazy tab. This code is weird. Like, oh, the new true is not there. My apologies. But don't you think the token is too small? Like, what the hell? Random ID length 40. Okay. No, no, 40 might be a bit too much. 30 is fine. Let's click authorize. Reload it. This time token looks something real. Good. URL seems real as well. Bang, bang, bang. I forgot there was an extension, VSC extension, which shows JS response. I forgot the name. There was a very nice extension which just shows what we are doing. Like, I don't want that. ESLint, I'm not a big fan. .env, I already have it. JavaScript booter, no. Prettier, no. Tailwind, blah, blah, blah. Sort lines. The avatar will not go above. Ah, that's sad. That's very sad. I wish it could go. There was a very cool extension. The issue is I resetted my laptop some days ago, so I lost it. JS. Like, it was even giving me. Ah, man. Let me ask my boy Bard. I can explain my thing to him. I forgot the name of VSC extension, which shows result of JS/TS code. It even showed the result of my React app when I was running it. Please help me find it, my boy Bard. Okay, I misspelled it, but fine. Our boy Bard can do it. Trust him, guys. And why the hell the chat is not here? And let me. The VS Code extension I'm looking for is live server. Ah, no, man. No, son, that's not what I'm talking about. Do we have any other? As I am not talking about the live preview like that. Ah, man, Bard, you are disappointing me. I guess the misspelling part pissed you off. Anyways, we are getting the user data. And then what? I think I should also save this thing in local storage. Code runner. I'm not very sure, man. I wish I should have taken a note of my things. My bad. But anyways, can I use local storage in Nest? Let me search on Google. Local storage in Nest. Ah man, I need to ask my boy Bart few more things. I'm not, or maybe I can ask you. So what I need to do is now I need to save the ID. I need to save the thing in my database. I need to make a cookie. I'm so dumb. How to create cookie in, what is it called? Nest. Yeah, Nest. All right, let's see. Cookie parser. I might need to do a little Google tutorial. I can just. It is literally Express. What the fuck? What? What is this? Okay, I get. I have a good idea of what is happening. Let me do something for you. I will also need to search how middleware works, but for now, doesn't matter. Let me go back to my auth controller, and we are getting the user data. Amazing. We are saving it as well. That's fine, I guess. What do we do next? Okay, I can make a function called async get user token, and I can actually put the code in it, and then I can do something like this. I have no idea why I'm just, if we have response.access token, then response, otherwise null. So response will be equal to await get user token with the code, of course. Then we are getting Discord token. And then I will make a function called get user Discord data. And this time I'm going to ask for an access token. Access token. Let me do that real quick. Return the data, access token, blah blah blah, terminate. And then what? We need to change this thing to await get Discord data, response dot access. If not response, then we just return null. Then we do this. Data save is fine. It looks a bit better now. Like the code size is a bit bigger, but it looks better. Or it might be just a misunderstanding, but it's fine. So get user data is done. Now I need to figure out the cookie, right? So we are getting the user data. Now we need to figure out the cookie. Let's see. Pass through to blah blah blah. That's bullshit. Use with Fastify. Okay, let me install this beautiful package. What? Debug failure. Damn, that thing just quitted on me. Let's go to the main file. La 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 la. Main.ts. I need to import Fastify cookie. Now I need to register something. Then we can do Fastify. Oh. I might just install Fastify as well. Set cookie. Response dot set cookie. Okay. 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 Let's do it, baby. So we will go in our auth controller. Now, as you can see, we have a response, but we have an express response. That's bullshit. We will do Fastify. Do we have a response object here? That's so dumb. We have reply option here. Fastify reply. We do have that. I can change it to Fastify reply. Nice. Now here I can do response dot set cookie. Then I can do something like token comma auth data dot token. Wait, maybe I should parse it or something. Should I? Let's think about it. Okay, let's do it. So if I go to my amazing, what is it? Service, okay. So I will need to make a function called async create auth token. I will need to just do this. Then what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will create a token, and then I will do something like open my dot in a live stream, and I will do what should I do, guys? Let me remind myself. Secret is equals to some secret which you guys cannot see. I will close it, open my dot again, and it works. Nice. And then I will do something like import parts from crypto. I don't really remember how that works, to be honest. Encrypt Node.js crypto library. Let's go for it. I will need to make app.service. Let's make something called. We don't need async in this. Encrypt string. And we will also need decrypt. Nice. Data encryption. Crypto.create site or whatever. I have a feeling I already have something which does it for me. No. I need to go to web, backend source router version 1 slash login. Of course, open that. Let's see, my friend. We have this parse function. Go to definition. Crypto-js. Okay. Crypto-js. We don't have that, not a big deal. Crypto.aes.encrypt. Okay. AE. What? Masa. I guess I will need to install it. That sucks. There might be a better way to do it, but I don't know. So I will skip that. AES. Then Here, what we are doing is, let me just copy it to be honest. I will paste that here. Control X, Control L, Control X, Control L. Remove all of these lines, and we are almost done. Instead of str, I can just call it string. And instead of crypto dot, we just do this enc.utf8. Okay, enc.utf8. Okay, so we don't need a comma. Encrypt and decrypt is done. Create a token can return a encrypted token. Beautiful. So this thing can be equal to create auth token. Perfect, man. This is perfection. There is nothing better than this. Now I need to just save it. Set cookie, blah blah blah. Amazing, it works. What do I do next? I need to log in once more and let me see. I am streaming since 2 hours. Oh my god. That's a lot of hours. So we have an error. Plugin did not start in time. You may have forgotten to call done. Cookie 1.default. What does that mean? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I think the issue is somewhere here. Register Fastify cookie. Wait, Fastify cookie is a function, dumbass. Um, Wait a second. I can just do. Don't you think this thing should look something like this? Okay. I will return this there. Okay. What about now? It's an invalid code. That's very tragic. Let's authorize once more. And response.set cookie is not a function. Well, we are close. Fastify says it is a function. Let's try it once more. Authorize. Go here and response.set cookie is not a function. Nest Fastify. I think I installed the package. Yes, I did. App.register. Replace. I will just change it to process.m.secret. Request.cookies. I will like to console.log. Wait a second. Request.cookies, and I will need to define request as well. And I will do that. That's not a big deal at all. At the rate request, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Plugin did not start in time. Okay. Fastify cookie nest plugin did not start in time. Let's see what do these guys say. Current behavior, blah blah blah. Won't happen if you install Fastify at the rate 4.13.0. And I am on what? 4.23.2. Well, if you say so, I will change the version. That's not a big deal. 4.13.0, Fastify 4.13.0. But this is not a good solution, is it? Can't help it. Let's authorize. Okay, it is giving me the same error. Not a big fan of that. Use cookies in Fastify. Let me just search that straight up. Let's see how does this package work. Fastify.register, and I will just require the damn thing. Okay. Thank you for telling. So if I go in my main file, for the main file, Fastify took cookie, man, my words. I can just put that there. Mm, let's try to ignore this error for a moment. And if it works, I will be really sad if it works. Like, I will be happy, but I will be sad. My motherfucking phone. Damn. It didn't lock the cookies. Okay, it did lock it. Wait, man. Reload. Yes, my boy, it works. So as you guys can see, the documentation sucked. Let me install my Fastify as something latest. At the rate latest. I think it was 23 point blah blah blah. If I'm not wrong. Beautiful. Now, my friends, let's think about it. we no longer need them here. We will just redirect my boy to somewhere like, let's think about it. Like I have two options. I can just return them to something like crazyass.com, right? Or I can return. Do I have my website up? I, Let me verify that. Damn it. Yeah, it is on. So if I have it up, then I can just command that. I can change this URL to 127.0.0.1. I need to click on authorize and then it will do it. It better do it. What? It didn't redirect me for some reason. Response dot redirect 301 comma blah blah blah. What do? What's this now? Cannot find module Fastify. I have it. Dude, what? I literally have it. What are you talking about? NPM Fastify. This thing is weird. Very weird. I will need to restart it, I guess. Oh, my apologies. I need to do local host 5173. Authorize. And it works. Yes, it works. But anyways, as we can see, the thing is working out. Now we need to actually work on a middleware and then we are done, hopefully. So how do we do that? I have no idea. Let's find out. Well, one thing that I can do is I can just app.register the damn thing, and that's the only thing I can think of. So should I do it? Await app.register, and I will need to pass something like, my man, what should I call it? Request, comma response, comma done. I will like to make it an asynchronous function. At the end, I will do done. I will later make files and stuff. So we have request, comma response, right? Request.cookie. What the hell? Request.co response.set. What? Fastify instance, comma incoming message. Let me see. Fastify middleware. And meanwhile, I will search here as well. How do I make a middleware? Middleware is executed in a particular sequence. Da, 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 da. We can use app.use. Do we have app.use? Request. Let's see. App.use for all URLs, comma request, URL, done. Let me just view their beautiful code. Use guard. Oh, we can use guard. I guess I will use a guard in here. That's interesting. Not yet, not yet. Let's see. Anyways, as you guys can see, Discord login is done. Now the thing that we need to do is pause the anime first of all. Now I need to watch a YouTube tutorial first of all on Nest.js Fastify middleware. I need to see if somebody already made it. Somebody did it 6 months ago. This guy is smart.
Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video,
let's see what he's doing. So he's still talking. Let's go back a bit. So he have a middleware. Let me make it somewhere as well. App.controller, and then I will make a utility folder, not folder, my bad. And then I will call it user auth.middleware.ts, and let's see what my boy is doing. So we export a class, call it user auth middleware, which implements Nest middleware. Now we need to use request, response, done. I will make a folder called middlewares, and I will make one called user auth, and I will paste it in it. User auth dot interface dot ts export interface nest middleware. Oh, so we actually made this thing ourselves. That's what it is. Nah, that's not the case. What the hell? request will be the request, response will be the response, return will be a function. Which is a function which is void. Let's call it next because that guy is calling it next, and it can respond back in any. Nice. Request response. Okay. But this is a express. I want fastify, my man.
Let's today see about the
Well, let's hope this video works.
this middleware function. You can see
Nice. Now we are injecting stuff. So we are making it injectable. Okay. Okay. Nest, fastify, middleware. Okay, I guess I will try to make it somehow. Okay, I guess I will just get back to the video I was on. Where is it? There it is. Episode number 7. There it is. So he is injecting this thing in a module. I will go in my app module and I will inject it right here. Not a big deal, right? We have a configure thing. Why do we have a configure instead of a constructor? Like people use constructor mostly.
so you implement that with your class module,
Okay.
and then you want to override, you want to override the configure method. All right, now the configure method, it's going to take in one parameter, and the parameter is a consumer, and its type is middleware consumer. So this is going to allow us to apply middlewares. So we can call apply on the consumer object, and all you got to do is just pass in the middleware that we want to apply. So we're going to go ahead and pass in that valid customer middleware. So right over here, we just pass in the class as an argument. Okay. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and call the for routes method. So this actually allows us to apply the middleware to specific routes. So what I'll do is I'll actually pass in an object and I'll specify the path. So let's say, for example, I want the middleware only for the customer's route. I only want it for this search, this slash search path. And we can request get comes over here. It takes in enough. So now if I go ahead and go into Postman now, so it's back the response, but in the logs, let's see, it should have. Oh, whoops, this is the wrong path. It's slash search ID. There we go. So you can see that it logs hello world item inside valid customer middleware. Okay, and you can see that over here, you can see that the middle had slash customers slash ID, which is this one right over here. Use get all customers function. Additional routes, like I said, that footwear routes are for the entire.
So let's find out if it is working or not. Let me run the done function and let me just console.log hello, and let me just console.log request.cookies, and I really hope it works. So it is localhost 3000. It said hello and undefined. That's progress. Do we have cookies? We do not have cookies. I really thought that we have cookies. Oh, let me try 127.0.0.1. It's taking a while to load, but hello 3e. Do we have cookies? We do not have cookies. That's crazy. Slash auth slash discord. But auth slash controller slash discord. If we do not have code, it should say click here. Slash auth slash discord. Okay. Let's try to go back in here. Bang to. Now it works. Beautiful. Even a bit beautiful. Do we have a cookie? We have a cookie. Do we have a console log? Sadly, we do not have a console log which works. And I would like to go to Nest.js cookie section once more. I want to see if I am missing something. What am I missing, my friend? I totally remember request for cookies long ago. Okay, not a problem. I think the issue might be that this middleware is, you know what I'm saying. So, what the fuck? I guess I can just cut it out, take it in my auth section, and I will make a folder called middleware, paste it, Control X, paste it. We no longer need the utility folder. Amazing. In app module, we have this stuff. We no longer need that. We can remove that. We can go in our this section, auth module. Nice. We can paste this here. Amazing. And I will import these things here. Easy. Amazing. So I will remove some extra stuff from this section. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It is still undefined. Okay. Why? Uh, I will like to go to the controller slash discord slash let me console of this slash auth slash me get me. We do not need all of that. We do not need that. And for now, I will just do respond. I will just return request dot cookie. Request is a request. Fastify request cookies. Don't tell me I was doing dot cookie instead of dot cookies. So we have to go on slash auth slash me. Nice, it works. But in console log it doesn't work. That's very nice. Nest middleware doesn't have cookies. Oh, credentials true. Doesn't matter. But I will do it anyways. It might work, so let's find out. So here it is. Here is course. There it is. Credentials. We have it. Useless. Mudada. So as we can see, that is not working. That is not good enough. So what can we do? Nest add object to request object. Company guard. Let's think about what can I do. Well, I can do something like, let me go to the auth service. Get user from token Ian's encrypted token. So const token will be decrypt the encrypted token, and then we need to return user await user model dot find when, and then token will be token, and then this thing will be asynchronous. So we will just return this dot service dot get user from the damn token request dot cookies question mark dot token, and let's hope it works. Let's don't put it here, let's put it inside the auth service that the code looks a bit less ugly. Service decrypt perfect. Let's see how it works now. It says null. That's not a good start. I will like to console.log this console.log token comma this. 3, 2, 1, boom. So the token is this. Masaka. I cannot believe it. Ah, that's a big problem. I can just save the decrypted one here. Decrypt the damn code. Let's log in once more, baby, and then we will be good. We better be good after that. So I will do 127 slash auth slash main. Beautiful. So this is progress. I will say that. Now, as you guys can see, this is progress. All right. We are able to get the user from token. Now, what we have to do is we have to actually attach it to the request object, something like request.user, right? Request.user. And I personally, did you know that Smike also have prefix command? The default prefix is this. Let's find out. This opened up a whole new category of stuff. What was the name? Zoom. I'm unable to mention users. What the hell? What the hell is this? Let me that. Wait, we don't need the M. Nice. It works. Nest add custom property object. Yes. Let me message my boy free. He shall help me out. Anyways, where was I? We are at /me works. Beautiful. I need to set up some things, or I need to set up the fucking middleware. Let me just Google search that. Nest get cookie in middleware. Easy. Let's see. Request of cookie. Controller works, my friend. Controller works, but that's not the problem. The problem is not even here, my man. Oh, it is rock paper scissors. Okay, okay. Plus hack. Oh, he have that command. Damn. Oh, this is nostalgia. Oh. PLS hack. I wonder if it exists. Account number. Credit card CVV. Nice. Okay. Near Bermuda Triangle. Nice. That was good progress. Now the question is, why do I not have the access to request.cookies? May I know why? Hmm, why is this happening? Why is that happening? I wonder. Can I do something like, let me just try it out. We have our app controller. We'll make a thing called @all. We have it. Nice. And in the thing, I will do star, and then I will call it user auth middleware. Now I will start with returning ha 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 hacked. This means every possible route, no matter what, should say hacked. Options already declared. What the fuck does that mean? Method options already declared. Let's just Google search that and see what happens. If you use fastify.route method support list, it supports. It doesn't support all. That's what you were saying? Ah, that's painful. Okay. I guess then I will just try get. Will I get the same error again? Something happened. I don't know what this is. Incoming message. Hello. Go to the middleware. Oh, I'm logging out. It didn't say haha hacked. Okay, let's try to just console.log request.cookies @req. What's the, oh, I need to run it. Okay, let's restart it. And it says, okay, not a problem. Can I give something like this? Okay. Nest route for all paths. Yeah, let's see how this works. Nest.js. That's not what I wanted to do. What the hell is up, my dude? What can I do to do this? The middleware is working, but I do not have the I don't have the essentials that I need. And why is that? I also want to eat food now, but let's see. Response. I don't need the response, to be honest. I need done, so I have that. Let's call it next instead. Let's think about it. Console.log hello. I want to console.log request.body. What now? Reload. It should be undefined, of course. Done is not a function. It says, oh, my apologies. I forgot. I forgot about one thing. It is a different thing. It is not decorator stuff. It is a different thing. Let's see if response.setCookie is a function or not. If it is not, then it means the thing is not working out that well. Yes, it is not. So this means the thing have not worked yet, right? If I go on here, does it still work? Still works. Oh, that's crazy. I really wonder why is this thing happening. We have user auth module. It is for all routes. Okay. So if I go to definition, we have user auth module. We have request. For some reason, it doesn't work. And why is that the case? Fastify cookie string raw cookie string. Let's see. I will go to the middleware once more. I will like to console.log request.raw dot let's just log it and see what is up. I still have the cookie, right? No cookie found. Masaka. Oh, I need to set the timing and stuff. Okay. Let's go back to our auth service controller. In the set cookie function, I have what? Name, value, and then the option. So let's go in the options. Domain doesn't matter. Expires can be okay. Let's use max age instead. Max age will be a number. By adding the specifier second date dot now plus should I just type infinity 60 1 2 3, that's 3 6 0 0 1 2 3 24. Let's just 1 week in MS. All right. So we have our max age done. Do we need anything else? I am not sure. Now I would like to start with actually logging in. There is a oh man, that's a possibility. Let me just log in real quick. Authorize. And it will take me to that page. I will go to 3000/auth/me. It logs null. That's very crazy. We do not have no cookie. Amazing. So I would like to comment this. I will do response.send haha. And like let's go to auth/discord. And it takes me there. I will click there. It will take me to auth, blah blah blah, authorize. And it says haha. That's nice. If I go here, cookie site data, we have a single cookie. That's very good to know. I will control shift I and I will go to the memory, sorry, application and cookies for this site, token value and expiry is, what is the expiry? 2024 314 2024. Okay, well, that's kind of not what I wanted to do, but It is not that bad, is it? So I will close it and I will go. It is still working. Nice. Console logs still don't have it. That's not very nice. Is it asynchronous? Okay. Now, my friends, why? First, if I get raw cookie string. Yeah, man. Request. Oh, wait, it is logging request dot raw. And that thing is undefined. Request dot cookies. Is that also undefined? Yes, it is undefined. Middleware. Yes, it is undefined. This does not make sense at all. I am missing something. I am missing something. Why and how? What am I doing wrong? What can I possibly mess up here? There must be something. There is something that is messed up. What can we do, guys? Think about it. I am in the middleware and I'm unable to get the cookie. So what should we do? Okay, so let's see what do we have here. Expected 3 argument but got 1. Okay. Will this work? Request, response, done. What's your problem here? Argument of time const a is equals to that. I will like to console.log a and I will also like you to do slash slash at the rate da slash ignore. Fastified or decorate is not. Why don't I just go to the main file and register something? Await app dot register request comma response comma done done, right? Request dot console dot log request dot cookies fastify instance. Okay, yeah. Oh, progress. Okay, guys, so give me a second, I will be back. All right, I'm back. So where is the progress? Reload, and I don't see any console log. What in the hell is this? Why is there no console log? Nice. It's equals to 20. I will like this thing to log mid comma request.x, and I would like to do a ts ignore here. So copy this, move that request.x blah blah blah. Then where are we? Auth/me. I will go in here and I'll just console log that. Instead of mid, I will call it controller. So we have one login controller, one login middleware, and one login register. So let's see how this beautiful code goes now. Reload the page and let's see. Made undefined, controller undefined. Not very nice. And if I remove done, what happens then? You cannot work now, can you? Hero. Register undefined. Reload. Plugin did not start in time. Okay. Okay. Let's see app.add hook. Let me do router.add hook. What does that do? On request, yeah, on request. Hook will be um, request comma response comma done, I believe. Done will be a function as always. Amazing. Now I like you to do console.log request comma cookies comma reg dot ip. I don't think I should log my IP in a YouTube live stream. Otherwise, it is fine. So let's wait for it. Reload it. Doesn't work. Nest add hook. Oh yeah, that's the problem. Nest fastify. I want to use add hook. I will need to go to Nest.js. I will need to search for hooks. And then let's see if we can find something that we want. So this guy is doing this.apples.htttt consumer.apply in middleware request.custom dot for routes. Mm, So what is the moral of the story? I really wonder what is the moral of the story. Okay, let's try something else. So we have app dot route. What is the type of this app? Like app is what? Nest Fastify application. Nest Fastify application. So that's interesting. I really wonder, man. I'm unable to do anything so far. Well, first of all, it is obvious that I need to do app.register. Right. I need to use app.register. There is no way instance comma request comma done. It's just done it and then console dot fastify middleware. We have a message and let's get back. Let's see what are these middlewares about. We have fastify.use as well. Then let's do use. Who cares? We will do app.use. Now I will do request comma response comma done is equals to blah blah blah. Done is a function, I guess. Okay, they have any type. Let me just go on YouTube and let me search Fastify custom middleware. How do I do that? Okay, protect your
Every web application needs to have control over.
Yeah, I need to have control. That's exactly what I want to do. Kind sir, can you please show me how? So we have a request comma reply function. Nice. We just showed us MongoDB for some reason. Why do we not have the next? What the hell? Fastify.add hook pre-handler. Then we can. That's not what I want to do, sadly. Fastify crash course. He might have it to be honest. Custom middleware. I don't want a pre-handler, I want a middleware. Like fastify.use pre-handler. Nest.js pre-handler. Okay, guys, let's think about it. Let's just console.log stuff, right? Request comma response. Let's do it. Let's see if it works. If it works, it works. Ah, true. If it works, then it works. And it looks like it works. I would like to console.log. Let's see if it works as well. Let's see. It log undefined for both. Okay. That was very painful. Let's see. This is something. Server response. Let me just console.log. Oh wait, I saw .cookie. I saw .cookie. I saw it with my amazing eyes. See, dot cookie is there. It's almost there. Request dot headers dot cookie. I will remember that. Request dot head. Wait a second. I could have used. This is so much pain. Dot headers dot cookie. Shit. I am so dumb. It was such a obvious thing. I could have just. I'm very sorry, my friends. Very sorry for being dumb. I apologize for ignoring such obvious things and wasting an hour of myself and probably some more people. Please uh, allow me to live. Anyways, now I know I can do it. So I will just do const blah 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 is equals to blah 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 blah. I forgot the console log to be honest. Da, 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 da. So I will do token is equals to slash w slash t plus, I guess. Let me just see my token. For example, Control Shift I, application. This is the value. So we might have anything. That's what you are saying. What if I make a new cookie? Can you please console.log this? Console.log this comma token. Nice. Reload the page. Please reload the damn page. Token is equals to this. Terminate w is equals to blah blah blah. Okay, so what I can do is I can go back. I can do token is equals to not this, and then I can just console log the token for now. And let's see how it works. No, we will do dot slice token equals to 6. Perfect. So this should be perfect. This better be perfect. I think it is perfect. C0 starts W2. Perfect, my friends. So as you can see, we have some progress. Now I want you to do some more beautiful things. First of all, I will like to do request.user is equals to out. If we have token, then do this, otherwise it can be null. If we have token, then we just simply somehow do some stuff. I will need to use a constructor, and I will go to my service, and I will like to use the same damn thing that I'm using. Bang. I would like to get some imports. Inject model. Then this will be this dot user model dot find one token. Slash @ts dash ignore. Amazing. And I would like you to console.log that as well. Slash @ts dash ignore console.log blah blah blah. And now let's find out if it works or not. If it does, then we did it, my human friends. So we need to use await. I forgot that. Reload. Come on, man. Unexpected token this. What the fuck does that mean? This will work, right? What do we mean by that? Let me just control. Oh, first, oh, this is not asynchronous. That's what you are saying. Should have told me before. It logged null. That's very tragic. I will like to log this. I would like to await this dot user model dot find bang bang and let's find out. Oh, my apologies, human. My apologies. Okay, I have a better idea, guys. In controller, we have a thing called auth service. We can use the damn thing in here. And request.user can be equals to, wait a second. Let me remove all three of those. And then here we just do await this dot auth service dot get user from the damn token, and we input the damn token, and we console.log the damn token, and let's see how it works. So we have null comma whatever the hell. Why is that? Let's reload it. It's still same. Let's go to get user from token. Now I will like you to console.log few things. Console.log. First of all, encrypted token, comma token, comma await this dot user model dot find blah. Let's see how this goes. If this goes good, we did it. If this doesn't go good, we didn't did it. It looks right. Then what's the problem, my friend? Service, comma this, throws that. Masaka. Where is this? Comma middleware. Let's try 2, 3, 2, 1, bang below. Let's go on Discord. Give a message which we can view later on. So in our SER, where is SER? So in our SER, we have the data. Amazing. But wait a second. The middleware function ran before the damn SER function. How the fuck that is possible? I am really interested to know that. If token, I would like you to do request.user is equals to this bullshit, then I would like you to just console.log request.user. Paste that. Right? Right. So we have a console log for under malform UTF data. I really wonder what that means. Console.log token. So first of all, we log this. Then we run the server comma null. Then we log null. Then we log controller undefined. Controller, where do we log that? Let me search for console.logs. So we have controller. Okay, that thing doesn't matter. We have SER, which kind of matters to be honest. So I will just change it to dot find, comma the token. Then we have this. I would like to add mid in both of these logs. Now let's find out what is up. 3, 2, 1, bang, boom. So first of all, it logged mid. That's right. Then it logged SER and an empty array. Something is messed up, my friends. This dot user model dot name model name. This dot user model dot. All right, let's see. There is no way that is different. User auth crazy freelance. It is same. Then how the hell it is possible? Let's remove token. Ah, this is important. Okay. Alrighty. Let's reload it. Let's see. By the way, in the controller slash me, I will like you to just reply with, I don't know, reply with this for now, because it is giving me double log, so that's very confusing. Not good. Now let's see. First of all, it logged me this token. That's very right. Then it logged me ser. Then we have an array. And then we have a token which I cannot see for some reason. I'm not very sure that is the case. We're giving the token right here. Why I cannot see the damn token? Interpret token and then the token. Right. That's very right. That's why I say it's mid. I can see the token right here. Why the hell it's not there? I really wonder. Dollar this token. And I will also like to log the encrypted token while we are at it, so that we can find out the thing in more details. The token is fine, but the decryption is not fine at all. Why does the decryption doesn't work? May I know that? Let's console.log the process.end.secret as well. Because I have a feeling I know why. I have a very bad feeling that I know why. Okay, I don't know why. Let's see the difference, guys. Let's see the difference. Okay. See. So we have two requests right there. First one and second one. It is 0. It is 0 here as well. What about this one? Oh, get it? I get it. I get it. Damn it. So we need to decode URI component, I guess. Will it work from now on? We don't know. We can just hope it works. There are a lot of console logs. Wait, mid. It works, baby. So I guess we did it. Now let's try something. Instead of this, let's try to respond back with request.user /@ts-ignore. All right. Now I will like to remove all other console random freaking logs, because we don't need them, of course. Sadly, that is null. I really wonder why. I will like to know why. I'm so close, guys. This time we are able to get the user. We just need to find out why the request thing is not modified. Let's see if there is something which we can modify. Let me just search it. Nest.js modify request object. I want to modify the request object. Okay. Interceptors, I guess that's what we are looking at. That's not what I wanted to do. Yo, Shadow, what's up? What's up? What's up? Let me check one thing out real quick and then I will get into the stream once more. Let me see. Versal and back, blah blah blah. All right. Let's see. It should be la 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 export class interceptor request context or switch or get request before interceptor after interceptor context or switch to HTTP. Let's try that out. Context dot h request dot context I wonder why this is happening. Let me ask Free. I wish he was online. Anyone uses Nest? Oh wait, I can ask Bard. I have this. What is it called? Middleware consumer in my Nest code. But when I try to access request.user in my controller, etc., the value is always undefined. Even though when I console.log request.user in the middleware, it is there. Help. All right. By the way, let's console.log it. Console.log request.user. And before reading that, let's reload. Request.user exists, but it doesn't exist there. That's very tragic. The middleware is not being applied to the controller route. You can check this by @decorator. If it doesn't have the middleware property, then the middleware will not be applied. Is not in correct order. So for example, not correctly, blah blah blah. Okay. Let me search how to do this. And we have a Discord message. Let's see. Wait, I sent it in the wrong channel. Go to general chat and save it. Oh. So @middleware use dot middleware. I see. How can I make all requests use the middleware? your apply middleware to multiple controller route, you can register the middleware glory as your body, so you can import the middleware controller class from this. Am I not doing this? Module and then constructor blah blah blah. Am I not doing this? I am pretty sure that I am doing this. But guess what? Let's do it here, right? Middleware consumer and user of middleware, right? Let's go on this channel. We no longer need that. No longer need that. Perfect, perfect. Okay. What do we do next, my friend? I have no idea. I have no idea. Let's control X that, put it in the source folder. Alright. Let's wait for the reload and then let's go back in here. And what's your problem, sir? Nest cannot resolve dependency of user. Please make sure the argument is zeros available. And I'm not very sure what does that mean. I will need to verify that myself. Let's see. User auth middleware. So we have auth service. And I think it is looking pretty nice. Unknown dependency exception. I guess I will need to get the middleware function outside, probably for some random reason. I don't know. What's the problem, son? We need auth service. Routes, auth service. We need this thing. Let's put it in the app service as well. Who cares, right? Copy that, close that, paste that, inject model, blah 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 blah. Will it work? I wonder about that. First of all, in this thing, we no longer use auth service, rather we will use app service. /app service. Now okay. Alright, I'll remove it from here. Put it in there, bang, boom, bang, bang. Okay, let's see how this goes, my friends. Bang, boom, bang. Will it work? What's the problem? We no longer need these things. So we don't need these things. So this .auth service is undefined. Interesting. Auth service is this, and this .auth service is undefined. Why is that? How is that possible? So I pretty much messed up the half working thing. I really don't know why that happened. I wish I know why. This hurts. Let's reload it. Cannot read property of undefined, get user token. I really wonder why is this happening. Go to the middleware, comment this thing out, reload it, reload it. 3, 2, 1, boom. It works fine there. Can you please console.log database.auth service? Let's see how that looks. Reload that. Okay, so pretty much things are more messed up now. This is very tragic. Pretty much the middleware thing failed. I will delete it. It was a big waste of time. Such a waste of time. I guess I will just get the user whenever I need it. I spent hours and the result was nothing. So I guess this is it for today. I wasted 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. I don't know. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Let me check how much watch time I got.